It's our SWAT team, our aviation team, our canine team, and I can name several others, but those are the three main ones. And the analogy I like to use is, this is a three-legged stool. When we get into a hot situation, a tough situation, and we need help, we call the SWAT team, aviation, or canine. What you all are considering tonight, based upon this agenda wording, is to take one of those legs off of that stool. And that makes it very, very unstable. And I'll submit to you and echo what Commissioner Warren brought up. There's a great deal of pride in having an aviation unit. And the manager's right. It's one of a few, probably the only one, joint city and county in the state of Florida. I submit to you that is a positive, that this community came up with a resolve, low cost, creative way to fund an aviation unit that provides a great deal of service and value to our law enforcement community and to all of our communities. So think about it from the standpoint of your community, who you represent. Are you going to take away this potential high value item from them? I had it on my list to mention, but Chief Jones also stated it, but I needed to say it also because my staff and I have been approached from many people from the Gainesville Police Department. They don't want to lose this unit. And I will end with saying, I recognize, because the funding reality, I recognize fiscal realities. I'm very, very practical in that way. And so I want to have a discussion about this. I suggest to you, each of you, and I said this to you individually, and I'll say it to you in the public here now, I ask you, my ask is for you all to recommend this item to staff. Pump the brakes. Don't move too fast. Look at this. Let us study it. Those of us who know best about the value of it, and those of us who have funding responsibilities, the city and the county, let's involve the county staff, county commission, sheriff's office staff, city staff, Gainesville Police Department. Task them with finding solutions and options to make recommendations to you. I believe they can do that, and I ask you to do that tonight. Thank you. Amy, I'll answer.
Thank you, Sheriff. I think, Mr. Manager, I'm just going to answer why for your light so we can get back to the commissioners. There's been no indication that you're making any suggestion to cut sworn officers.